Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what Credit Karma is and how it works. Credit Karma is a personal finance company that provides free access to your credit scores and reports from two of the three major credit bureaus, TransUnion and Equifax. It also offers tools to help you understand your credit health and financial products that could save you money. So, how does it work? Credit Karma gets your credit information from TransUnion and Equifax. It then uses this data to calculate and display your credit scores. The scores you see on Credit Karma are VantageScore 3.0, a different scoring model from the widely known FICO score. While FICO is used by most lenders, VantageScore is a good indicator of your credit health. Credit Karma makes money through targeted advertisements. Based on your credit profile, it recommends financial products like credit cards, personal loans, or auto loans. If you apply for a product through their site and are approved, Credit Karma receives a commission from the lender. It's important to remember that Credit Karma is not a credit bureau. It's a third-party service that provides you with information from the bureaus. The scores are updated regularly, so you can monitor changes in your credit report over time. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.